What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Well. During the course of the week, I did not get enough time to really look at the market. You see, that's why it's been a while without me posting here. But then it's interesting because I'm looking at what was happening during the course of the week, and I'm seeing that wow, what a market, man! What a market! What a time to be alive on the market. Basically, if you're not seeing what's going on, you're missing out. I remember I think yesterday or Friday or so, or Thursday. I was speaking with one of my mentors, one of my Forex mentors, and we shared in depth about what was happening in the market. And there is something that I would like to let you guys, before to let you guys know, actually. Before I was actually trading the lows and the highs of the day, the lows and the highs of the week, one of the things that I used to specialize in was fundamental trading. That means you need to trade, like basically you'll be trading news. So I was really looking at what some people were going through during the course of the week, because the news has got this week had a lot of news. As much as this upcoming week has got a lot of news. But then it's only because I used to trade fundamentals, I understand a lot about news than most of the people who really trade news, or rather who trade news like on a daily basis, the fundamental traders. One of my mentors was actually a very good fundamental trader. But I've proven over time that the approach that I'm using now, trading the lows and the highs of the day, you cannot beat it for anything, man. So you see, I know the manipulation now. I know what goes on behind news. I know because let me give you an example. If you see in this instance, the market met the high of the day. Okay, you see the market met the high of the day over there. It met the high of the day and came down to that point and formed the second leg. And after forming the second leg, the market shot down. Look, and then news came about right about this hour here, and the market shot up but failed to beat the high of the day. You see that? It did not beat the high of the day. They respected the high of the day, because when you catch the high of the day, that's it. It's over. News is just a trap. News is just, manipulation. You enter these trades and it's over. When they made the high of the day, they came down up to this point. Of course, and I was going to be out way earlier. When my target is made, I get out of the market. 141 pips. The market moved 141 pips. If you notice, there is a way that currencies flow in the market. There is a way that currencies flow. There is something called the order flow of money. It's called the order flow of money. I'm not going to say anything, more about that, because that's part of my mentorship, okay? This advanced, information. But then there is something called the order flow of money. You cannot just enter the market and start looking for setups and all that stuff. And that is for people who are taking chances, okay? But when you really come to an understanding of what really goes on in the market, you'll understand that there is something called the order flow of money. It's one of the things that I get into depth with people that I'm mentoring. And also, let me take this opportunity to explain to a lot of people who approach me about signals and tell me a lot of stuff about signals. Guys, I am not a signal provider. I am not a signal provider. But what happens is that when you become my student, I send signals time to time. And then there is a particular, program that I was running, I think last month or so. We had to pause because I got busy. The $250 challenge. There I provide signals like anytime I'm trading for the whole month. And it's only for my students. But then one of the things I'm trying to do, it's not like I can provide signals every time I trade to my people. But the thing is, I want people to exercise independence and see empowerment in the market. That's one of the reasons why I try by all means to let people lean on my understanding or lean on my experience time to time. But that's not my sole purpose in providing, information about the market. My sole purpose is not to say I want to give people signals. I could do that and I could charge for that and I could really, really make money for that. But that's not empowerment. Empowerment is when I impart this skill to you and you go out there and do what you see me doing. Okay? So it is what it is. Even though this previous week I was not as actively as involved in the market, I was seeing opportunities now during my revision here. I just finished a live session with my students and it's been a wow, amazing time. I opened their eyes and it is what it is. Now let's look at what was happening. You see here, this is the GBP USD and this was on a Thursday. And the Thursday is a very good day to trade. Look at that, that big W setup over there that the market forms. It's a total giveaway. It's a total giveaway. It's a total giveaway. If your eyes are not seeing what is going on, man, like I don't understand. But then it's a total giveaway. 72 pips in a space of less than 2 hours. And it's a total, the market just does that sometimes to people and just gives them money just like that. Just like that. You see the same thing happening here on this pair, the GBP CAD, the GBP Aussie. Total giveaway again. The market is just giving away pips like that, and people are making money, accounts being doubled and all that stuff. And in this instance, they moved up until they got to that point. You see that? You see that right there? 141 pips. It is what it is. It is what it is. You choose whether you want to make money or you don't want to make money. Setups like this, the gaps. I don't know how many times I've spoken about this, but guys, I'm not gonna get into a lot of stuff. I just wanted you to know it's still going on. We're still eating in the market. It is what it is. I love you so much. God bless you. Stay blessed and stay well. Rock the markets, baby.